single idea can spark positive change for Hilti, for our customers, and the future. At Aftermarket Services, ideas are in our DNA. Our ambition is to find new ways of working to give extra value to our customers. From technicians who take pride in making the perfect repair, project and process managers with the drive to create a seamless customer experience, AMS is where you find a genuine culture of continuous improvement. We deliver complete customer satisfaction. When a customer sends us a tool, we repair it in 3 days, or they pay nothing. Our process is built on quality and attention to detail, and is adopted in over 75 service centers across the world. We handle every element of every repair. Nothing is ever outsourced. Your work has an immediate impact. Whether you're repairing tools, leading a tool service center, or working on strategic improvement, your ideas have global influence and engage customers around the world. You can even contribute to improving our environmental footprint as we strive to become the industry leader in circularity. Help us design and repair each tool sustainably, giving more material a second life. AMS offers unique international career opportunities in over 120 countries. We need people from all backgrounds who are daring and imaginative and share our desire to improve the future. At Hilti, we strive for excellence. With AMS, you can too.